This is LHub Placement, an AI-powered placement platform built for NTUC Learning Hub. Here is the full journey, end to end. It starts with a trainee signing up. A new trainee starts by verifying with SingPass MyInfo. One tap, and their identity is confirmed. Name, date of birth, nationality, and address come straight from MyInfo. The trainee adds their experience, sector, and course, then submits. Gemini scores the profile. The result comes back straight away, with a Telegram link to connect their account. On their dashboard, course fit, placement probability, and job readiness, each with a plain reason, and a recommendation for a course that fits better. Every trainee also gets a bot. The trainee opens the bot and sends start. It asks for the last 4 NRIC characters and a date of birth. Linked. From here the bot pushes job matches, interview tips and check-ins. Weeks later it runs the check-in that matters for grant reporting. Did you find work? Full-time, contract, freelance, or still looking? When the answer is yes, the bot asks for the offer letter, and the trainee attaches a PDF. Gemini Vision reads the document. No forms, no data entry from the trainee. It comes back with the employer and the role, and says the coordinator will confirm. On the coordinator's side it arrives already passed, with a confidence score. One click to approve, and the placement is verified. Here is what the trainee sees, day to day. A progress bar runs from applied, through training, to completed, and finally placed. 3 AI scores sit up front, beside a running count of applications, interviews and offers. Below them, the job tracker. Every role the trainee has applied for, whether LHub match it or they source it themselves, with a status they update as they go. That same tracker is visible to their coordinator, so nobody has to chase anyone for an update. The job board carries every opening available to SCTP graduates, filtered by sector. Each posting shows the employer, the salary band and the commitment, and the trainee applies without leaving the platform. Anything they apply for feeds back into the counts. And for what to study next, there are AI course recommendations. Gemini splits the catalog 2 ways. Upskill, courses that deepen what the trainee already does, each with a fit score and the reasoning in the AI's own words. And reskill, courses that open a new path, each with a note on whether the trainee is ready to start immediately. Then comes the part most trainees dread. From the dashboard, interview prep. It generates practice questions from the jobs this trainee has actually been matched to, not a generic question bank. 8 per session, spanning behavioral, situational, technical and motivational. The trainee answers in their own words, at their own pace. The questions get specific fast. Presenting findings to non-technical stakeholders, cleaning a messy dataset, defending an analysis that contradicts what the business believes. Technical questions sit alongside motivational ones, because both come up in a real interview. By question 8, the trainee has worked through a full round. When they finish, every answer is scored. A category breakdown across all 4 dimensions, and an overall score out of 10. Per question feedback opens one by one. Coaching that normally needs a career advisor. Now, the other side of the platform. This is what the coordinator sees: total trainees, placements, pending verifications, at-risk cases, and the placement rate. Actions needed spells out the next move. Who has not linked the bot, and who has been flagged at risk? Charts break the cohort down by placement status, sector, and employment type. The trainee pipeline lists everyone with their AI scores side by side. Open any trainee and the full picture slides in. Profile, course, AI scores, and whether the bot is linked. Status changes right here, and a coordinator can mark someone placed, or send a bot link, without leaving the page. Every trainee, every score, in one list. The Courses tab shows enrollment, placements, and at-risk counts per course, so a course that is not converting shows up early. The queue is clear. That placement already went through. Reports export the pipeline as CSV, or as the SkillsFuture Singapore Compliance Report for WSG and SSG grant claims, with a full audit trail. And the cost calculator makes the economics explicit. Slide the cohort from 50 trainees to 5,000, and the verification rate up to full coverage. At 5,000 trainees with every placement verified, the whole thing runs about $33 a month. Well under 1 cent per learner. Finally, the hiring side. Employers get a filtered view of LHub graduates, with readiness scores. When one looks like a fit, they express interest, add the job title, and submit. The coordinator is notified the moment it happens. And it lands on the trainee's record. TechCorp Singapore, DevOps Engineer, log and dated. LHub placement. From SingPass sign up to verified placement, in one platform. Built by Analytical AI.